Welcome to the English Chill Channel.
We're so glad you're here. Get ready to relax and learn.
Good morning, Emma. Wow, you're up early today.
Good morning, Liam. I smell something fresh in the air.
Yeah, I made a fruit smoothie. I skipped breakfast yesterday.
And you felt tired all day. Today, let's do things differently.
Exactly. A day full of healthy choices, one step at a time.
Nice. I woke up with low energy yesterday, too.
Should we start slow? First, take a deep breath.
Look at the sun coming through the window. So soft and golden.
Yeah, the morning air feels cleaner. Yesterday, I just rushed to work.
Without even noticing this. Choice number 1, wake up calmly.
Now let's head to the kitchen. Is the smoothie ready?
Look at the colors. Red strawberry, yellow banana, green spinach.
So vibrant. I mixed in some plain yogurt and a handful of oats.
And chia seeds. Drink it slowly. Feel the coolness in your mouth.
Sweet but light. No white bread with butter today.
This is so much better than any fast food I'd grab in a rush.
Perfect. Yesterday, I ate sweets all day.
And I felt so heavy. Choice number 2, hydration. Lemon water.
To start the day, the tart lemon really wakes up the palate.
I drink so little water. I'm going to carry my bottle today.
Good plan. Should we put on something comfortable for a quick walk?
Yep, these leggings and light sneakers. I wore heels all day yesterday.
And everything ached. Choice number 3, movement. Look outside.
The street is quiet. Trees swaying in the gentle breeze.
Wow, the ground is damp with dew. It makes a crunching sound underfoot.
I never pay attention to that. Feel the cool air on your face.
Heart beating a little faster. It's not a race, it's a flow.
Yeah. My body is grateful. I sat for hours yesterday.
Stiff shoulder. See how a simple walk loosens everything up?
Now smell the flowers nearby. Such a sweet, natural scent.
They're pink and delicate. It's been a long time since I stopped to smell something like this.
Choice number 4, everyday nature. Head back home slowly.
Feeling the muscles waking up. We're back. What's next?
Something light for a snack? A quick salad?
Yes, crisp green leaves, juicy tomato, pure olive oil.
Should I add shredded carrot? The crunch is so satisfying.
Yesterday, I just grabbed chips. Total regret.
Taste the tang of the balsamic vinegar. Nothing processed today.
Only what nourishes. Fresh and light on the stomach.
This gives me energy without the heaviness. Choice number 5, mindful breaks.
Sit here, close your eyes for a minute, listen to the silence in the house.
The ticking of the clock, the wind outside.
Yesterday was just the sound of notifications. Exactly. Now a quick stretch.
Arms up, feel the stretch. Ooh, that relieves my back.
I forget to do this all the time. Choice number 6, keep the body moving.
Let's get to lunch now. Grilled fish with vegetables?
Yes, steamed broccoli. So green and tender.
The steam is rising, so warm. Grilling it with no extra oil.
Smell that smoky aroma, the pure taste of sea salt.
Wow, juicy but light. Yesterday was pizza.
I felt so bloated afterward. Today, it's about balance. Drink some herbal tea after.
Gentle chamomile to calm down. Floral and warm in the throat.
Perfect for the afternoon. Choice number 7, hydration and herbs.
Now, a short nap, 20 minutes on the couch.
The soft fabric against the skin. The room is dark and cool.
Yesterday, I just pushed through and got 0 done. See? Rest is a healthy choice.
Waking up slowly. My mind feels clear. Yes, refreshed.
How about a light hobby? Reading a book outside.
Good idea. Choice number 8, peace of mind. The soft turning of pages.
The sun filtering through the leaves. The words flow better this way.
Yesterday was just scrolling the feed. It tired my eyes.
Exactly. Now, a simple dinner. Vegetable soup, onions caramelizing slowly.
That comforting smell. Steam rising. I'll add peas. They pop in your mouth.
Yes, warm but not heavy. Smell the golden garlic.
The clear broth. It nourishes the soul.
Yesterday was greasy takeout. Such a heavy stomach at night.
Choice number 9, homemade meals. Finish with a short evening walk.
The starry sky, the air is cooler, our steps echoing quietly.
Choice number 10, end the day with gratitude. Today was full of freshness.
Movement, lightness. It's true. Yesterday was just automatic.
But today I chose to be intentional. I feel my body and mind in harmony.
Exactly. Small choices build a strong day.
You did great with this. Thanks for guiding, Emma.
I feel renewed today, ready for tomorrow.
Always. This is the power of healthy choices.
Simple, but transformative.
Thanks for being with us today. If you enjoyed this story, please like, share, and subscribe.
Leave a comment to tell us what healthy choice will you make tomorrow. See you in the next video. Take care.